From plant-based packaging and biodegradable hygiene products to cutting-edge solutions like micro-biogas digesters, Bio4HUMAN curated a list of 81 promising bio-based innovations. These were evaluated for practicality, sustainability, and their potential to be deployed in humanitarian settings. Our team conducted an in-depth assessment, collaborating with people in need and Polish humanitarian action in the Democratic Republic of Congo and South Sudan. Our research mapped out the types of waste generated, existing management systems, and regulatory frameworks. By engaging humanitarian organizations, local authorities, communities, businesses, and the academic sector, we identified critical gaps and opportunities for bio-based solutions. The most critical gaps are related to insufficient financial resources and lack of coordination among facilities, and are most visible in the intermediate and final stages of supply chains. To address these gaps, scalable and mobile waste treatment solutions and strengthened infrastructure, policy enforcement, and community engagement are essential. Integrating sustainable practices across all stages of the supply chain, especially early planning, can significantly reduce waste and enhance operational efficiency. After assessing the needs, we entered the second milestone, identifying innovative bio-based solutions. Led by our partners at ProCivis, this phase involved surveying industry leaders, analyzing past research, and consulting with humanitarian organizations to find the best sustainable alternatives to existing fossil-based solutions. With the solutions identified, our next step is a deep dive into their environmental, economic, and social impacts. Experts are assessing the sustainability of these products and technologies through life cycle analysis, cost evaluations, and governance studies. The final phase will bring these solutions to real-world humanitarian operations in South Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo, testing their feasibility and refining their application. At Bio4HUMAN, we believe in collaboration to drive sustainable and bioeconomy-rooted change. Join us in shaping a future where humanitarian aid is not just about helping people, but also protecting the planet.